back to the mountain. I home the crocodile eating so if I'm not I decided to just literally go down because if you want to do the I need some that's a big picture right at the top. Yeah, these are the things people will show you more comments. Yeah. Oh my gosh. More typo just meet the cop. Jailbreak is a separate phrase. Or a D. Thank you guys. Oh, actually, you can buy me. You can, I don't know, so it's going to thank you. I'm not going to. Oh my god. I was in the high school. I can't. So please don't. And don't. I mean, these just